Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini gilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Ka Hospital Pushpawati Singhania Research Institute PSRI kabadon ha New Delhi ha kasni Nyngkong kalapelong ya ka jingialang ha Shillong. Ha ka jingiatrei lang bat na Civil Hospital Shillong kalawanrah ha ki jingshemphang halor ka jingsumar ka snier ka sniehdoh ba ka jingpang kansa. Ki doktor batbit na ka PSRI Hospital kila pelong ya kani ka jingialang ha Civil Hospital Shillong. Ki riu shemphang kila kran shemphang ki jingkiu ki badang mi ha ka jingpen kala ya ka sniehdoh bat kish ing bat ki jingkiu ki badang shen ha ka jingsumar ya ka jingpang kansa. Ya kani ka jingialang latmu ban penya lang ya ki riu shemphang Haga kot ka kya berkilat pas hai khubor ban kentiu ya ka jingsam jingtim bat ban kentiu ya ki rukom sumar ling ba ki jingiakren bala pensyong nongrim ha ki sakhi. Ha ka baya day ba ka jingsumar sniehdoh Dr. Bhushan Bhole, Senior Consultant Liver Transplant and GI Surgery ula banjur ya ka jingdon kam ban penduna ya ka jingdikian namar kakta ya ka sniehdoh. Ula ai jingmut shapang ka jingpen kre shwa banne ya ka jingsumar ki jingkiu ha ka jingsumar bat ka lenti jong ka jingkot jingkhya ha ki khap balapan kala ya ka sniehdoh. Dr. Amit Upadhyaya unong ai jingmut barang ba ka jingsumar pang ula penpau Ya ka jingsumar balathmu ka jingsumar bayale persya ekamet bat kumnu ka jingsumar batikna ka penkalai ka jingsumar ka jingpang kansa. Ka hospital kerathit bat ka sarkar Meghalaya ban kentiu ya ka kot ka khya. Ka PSRI hospital ka hospital ka lapan scam da ka NABH bat ka NABL ka lapan scam da ka JK organization, JK tire, JK paper, JK Lakshmi cement. Latip ya kana ka benta ka jingtbin jongka ha ka liang ka jingpang sniehdoh ka jingpang sniehdoh ka jingpang sniehdoh ka jingpen kalai ka sniehdoh bat ki jingpet benya bakham shajrong. Ka PSRI kalaong ba kadang yai beteng banbu ikinong rim batmai ha ka jingsumar ba pensyong nong rim ha ki nongpang bat ka jingtbit ha ka jingsumar.
I can't comment on them.
But how are you planning to help the patients? Suppose if there are cancer patients, you can
So
treat
first
them.
of all, hospital has entered into a tie-up with Meghalaya government. So all those things which are as of now not available here in the civil hospital or in the state of Meghalaya, they can come to Delhi and they can avail all those facilities as a previously discounted agreed rates. Maybe in the future there are further planning to be more closely related with the government, and maybe in future this may also come that we can help the government to develop all those facilities there, but not right now.
Awareness sort of CME, continued medical, what we call it as, education. So it was about spreading the awareness of liver transplant. We are going to collaborate with the Meghalaya government. Okay, so this CME was not regarding collaborating with the doctors of civil hospital. It was about creating awareness about the disease and to let them know that such a facility exists. And what is there is that as a CSR activity from our hospital, we are going to offer this liver transplant at a much cheaper rate from the patients of Meghalaya state, and that will be the collaboration between the hospital and Meghalaya government. The thing is that the thing is that we are not going to do liver transplant in Meghalaya Civil Hospital. Okay, the liver transplant will be done in New Delhi. Okay, obviously these are very high-end facilities which are not available in entire Meghalaya. Okay, so liver transplant requires a very multidisciplinary approach and dedicated transplant team and dedicated ICUs and everything. So that is the thing.
Civil hospital. Yeah. We visited the civil hospital here.
where till date they are not doing kidney transplants. They have a large burden of chronic kidney disease in the state of Meghalaya. But the are you able to hear? Uh, but the facilities for transplants are lacking. So we came here to talk to the doctors here and ensure that we disseminate the knowledge for referrals for transplants. And as you know, three types of transplants are existing. One is related donor transplant, the other is a dead person, a brain dead donor, which is called the cadaver transplant, and the next now which is coming is the xenotransplant. So I did talk about pigs kidney getting transplanted into humans, which may become reality soon, because as you know, two pig kidney transplants have been done in the United States, and one of them is doing pretty well. So the aim was to create awareness and the good quality of life that these patients get after transplant. So that transplants should be done more frequently in patients who have end stage kidney disease rather than dialysis. Is that all right?